Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can change trading password in TradeTiger or Tiger Broker. So let's go and do that. So open up the app and go to your profile. Profile is right here at the bottom right. Click on it and then navigate to the settings. So settings you will find at the top right corner next to the alert button and AI in the middle. Click on this and then search for security settings, the second one. Then select here change the login password. Click on that. You will need to put in your current password. And after that, you will need with SMS verification or email, depending, you will receive some code, verification code, and then you can change your password. Now, if you cannot remember your password while you are on order page, you just can hit there the forgot trading password and you will be linked, and then you can the same way change your password. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next one.